Hello YouTube and welcome to part 4 of the graphics design course. My name is Samuel Aga, the web wizard. I'm a programmer at Eclipse and I'll be your tutor all through this course. So without wasting much of your time, I'll be teaching you all the tools in CorelDRAW, all the basic tools I'll be using. I'll be explaining them for you one after the other. So actually, with time you get familiar with the tools. It's just a matter of you practicing with the software. But I'll give you a tour around the interface of CorelDRAW today, and I'll be explaining all the tools to you. So as you go through this course, you become familiar with all the tools that we're going to be using, and by the end of this course you'll be able to design amazing graphics designs. So guys, when you open your CorelDRAW, this is the interface that you'll be seeing. It's a very easy interface. This box here is where we'll be doing all our designs in this box. This side is our tools. We have our tools here, and we have our color platelets here. So depending on what you want to design, all you have to do is to resize this box to the size you want. First of all, you can see that the box is in A4 here. I do advise to leave it at A4. Then you can resize it. Let's say you want to do a needle poster of, let me say, 4x2. A poster of 4x2. Click OK to resize the box. Then you come, here is your zoom level. All you need to do is just click on to page. Then you can see it will automatically adjust it to your page. You double click on it to create borders around the box. This first, you can drop your tool here. Then you can select any color for the box. Going to select, let me say yellow for this tutorial. Yellow colors. You can scroll down by clicking on these default platelets here to see lots of colors that we have, or you can double click here to bring all the color platelets that we have. Then you can click and hold on any color to see more colors that we have in it. Can left click to see more colors that we have, so you can choose any color from here. Always remember to save your work by pressing Ctrl S. Then this, we have our shape tool here, we have our smooth tool, our snare tool, tweak, attract, repair. Then so that you don't need to be afraid. With time, as we go through the course, you'll be familiar with all the tools here. But for this is your outline. That's the borders, the outline. You can choose to make it any, depending on what you are working on. You can also reduce it, but for me, I'm going to leave it at 0.5 because I don't really work with the outline. If I want to export my work, I normally remove all outlines from my work. Then here is your crop tool. This crop tool, you can use it to crop images. This is your knife tool. This is your virtual segment delete, and this is your erase tool. The shortcut for this erase tool is X by clicking X on the clipboard. Then here you have your zoom tool. The shortcut for your zoom tool is Z, and you have your pan tool, which the shortcut is H. Here you have your freehand tool, your 2-point line, your brazier tool, your pen tool, your B-spline tool, your polyline, your 3-point curve, and you have your smart draw here. Here you have your artistic media tool. can use it to draw your artistic in there too. So I just undo this right now. Here you have your rectangular tool. It was actually this rectangular tool that I double clicked at the first time to give us our borders at our box here. But you can see this little arrow down here. You can click on it. Then you can see your 3-point rectangle tool. The shortcut for your rectangle tool is your F6 in your keyboard. Then here we have our Eclipse tool. This is an example for the Eclipse tool. You can see our Eclipse tool. You can give it a color. By clicking on this arrow here, you see the 3-point Eclipse tool here also. So here we have our polygon tool, we have our stack tool, we have our complex tool, our graph tool, our spiral tool, our B shapes, our arrow shapes, our flowchart shapes, our banner shapes, and our call art shapes. Here we have our text tool, and we have our table tool. So you can draw table with Corel Draw. I have our text tool here. The shortcut is FA. This text you can use it to type any text you want. While working with text, you can come here and select anyone you are comfortable with. These are various fonts that you can select from. I have a list of fonts, very large fonts. So at your free time, you can play with the fonts. Can also give your fonts any color of your choice. Can give it a border color by clicking on it and right clicking on but you can give it a border color by placing your cursor on top of the color you want and right clicking on it. You can see it has a border color of red, and here we can remove our art line. Can put it as none. We can make this okay. You can resize it by holding your Alt and your Shift. Your Alt and your Shift, you can customize the size to how you want it to look. Or you can simply come to this place and select your font size that you're okay with. You can select your font size here. So let's just leave it at 36 for this tutorial. We're actually not designing anything, I'm just giving you a brief. Then you can highlight on an object and you can double click to duplicate it. Can see I've duplicated this. I can highlight on both of them and I'll double D again to duplicate both of them. Then I can give them another color, let me say sky blue. Okay, the color is not that sharp here, so let me say I'll give them red. Okay, I can move this color up to be above this by clicking on the Control and the page up. So I can actually group these two together by clicking on Ctrl G to group them together. So you see both of them are together now. They always move together because I've grouped them together. But for these two, they are not together because I didn't group them together. So I can group both of them. Yeah. Wait. Then these are parallel dimension tool. Also have horizontal and vertical dimension, our angular dimension, our segment dimension, and our 3 points called at. Here we have our straight line contour tool. Here we have our drop shadow tool. Here we have our transparency tool, which you can use to modify these colors to make it a little bit brighter. Here we have our color edge dropper tool. I have our attribute eyedropper tool. So this color eyedropper tool is very useful because we can use it to copy like color. Here I replace it with another color. Can use our color eyedropper to copy color from even a picture and place it where we need it. So I'll just undo this. Then we have our interactive feed tool, and we have our smart feed tool. Okay guys, that will be all for this tutorial. I hope you understand the class. If you have any questions, please do leave it at the comment section, and I promise that I will reply all questions. If today is your first time of visiting this channel, please make sure you smash the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and click on the notification icon so you get notified anytime I drop a new video. Hope to see you in our next class. Peace.